action on.
Inside the box we have this booklet. Looks like an instruction manual, owner's manual. Here by Godrej. So anyways, we'll go through that later on once we unbox the complete product. चलो भैया इसको फ्लिप करो.
जब ऑन करें ठीक है बोले.
As you can see, it is very well packed, supported on side by this thermocols to prevent any damage during transportation. And this is how this looks like. Sure. It is very cute, very compact design, and as you saw, my husband lifted him just by so easily, so it's very easy to carry as well. So if you want to move it from one room to another, you can do so easily without much hassle. For other purifiers that we heard from our friends, they were quite bulky. So you were just stuck with those air purifiers in one particular room, but with this, you can move it as per your requirement. Removing the poly cover. We can control our enthusiasm, so we are going to just rip it apart. Wow. Wow, Rajneesh. Oh, did you see this has a handle also for moving? Wow, this is a nice feature. Here. So now we have decided to place it in our bedroom, but to get the maximum benefit, it is recommended that you place this air purifier as close to you as possible so that immediately you get clean air. So as all wise men says, read the owner's manual first. We decided to refer to the owner's manual, and it says that we need to dismantle the body to set the filter. So opening is quite easy. So now we've removed it, and here we can see the air filters. These are the things that are actually cleaning the air for you. Very easy to remove, and this poly cover has to be removed now. And what it seems like from here, this shows, I think, behind this should be the fan where the intake and outflow of the air is happening. So now we've taken the poly cover out, and if you see the filter, it is different from all sides. So this has multi-layer filtration system. So now we are again packing it. And we are again rechecking all these steps. We have completed everything as of yet. So now we are done. Again fixing it first the other way around, now correctly. So are we all set now? Seems so. Next step is power on, and here we go. No, not yet. One more confirmation required. So all go. Here we go. Just cannot verify it enough. So now we are done, and we're going to switch it on now. It is on now, and you can see the LED display for the ppm measure. So now you can see the central lights blinking. It is changing from blue, green, red. So the blue color indicates the optimum level, the green is bad, and red is where we are actually staying in. So it is still changing its values, but I think they will stabilize somewhere above 270 because it stays stable at around 285. And since you can see the red light below it, the red light is indicating that this is harmful air condition. So for that we have placed it on auto mode as of now, and we'll refer to the owner's manual, but there should be some method by which we can change the setting. And there is also a timer mode. If you can see, we can add timer also. So after some time it will get automatically switched off. Yeah, it is being paused at 287 now. So in just a matter of 15 minutes, the rating has come down to 50. So it seems it's quite effective. We started at somewhere around 280 and now it's 50 within just 15 minutes. So quite a nice performance, we should say. And overall it's quiet also. There is some noise which appears to be of the fan moving inside, but it's not something that is going to irritate you. We seem satisfied by the product, by its design, and let's see how it goes through.